Amir bin Wasila radiyallahu anhu states, I was in the company of Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu when a man came to him and said, what would the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam tell you in undertones? Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu got offended and said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not tell any secret which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had hidden from the other people. However, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam told me four things. He asked, O the believers' chief, what are those things? He radiyallahu anhu said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has cursed him who curses his father. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has cursed him who slaughters for ghair Allah. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has cursed him who provides heaven to any innovator. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has cursed him who wiped off the boundary lines of a land. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5096.